Hey, Bishop.
Guys. Hey, Evgeny. Hey, everyone.
Oh, hello,
Hey,
Charlie.
Bishop.
How was the conference, by the way, Evgeny, in Belarus? How was
Um,
it?
it's as any other conference, it's very fun and it's I don't know, it's sorry, it's something I don't know the word. It's celebrate or holiday. Can we say that? It's
Yeah.
maybe festival. Yes, a lot of people, everybody smiles and everybody with. mm, glad to see you, glad to say you something about their project. It's very interesting. I was very mm, glad that a lot of people know about EOS and they surprised that EOS is not dead. I told them EOS is working. It's a big community and we made a lot of things last year. And but I wasn't a speaker. I wasn't.
Yeah. Hmm.
On the scene,
On
uh,
the stage,
I
yeah.
stage. Yes, thank you. I just talk to people in 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 hall. How and anyway, it was very interesting. I think it's very useful to go on such even events. But I don't know. Can we measure the useful of it? I don't know how, but I really liked it. I
Hmm.
think if the EOS community people will have the opportunity to move on any such event, it's very useful for I think for our ecosystem.
Yeah, definitely. It always helps, at least, I guess. And when you speak with people there, what do you say are the biggest achievements of years recently? Like in the last months, what is years? What do you
Uh,
say and tell people?
I don't I can't I couldn't say about some achievement in last month because people sometimes knew about EOS just about its ICO and then that it is dead. So I couldn't tell them that something happened in the last month. So I describe them that in general,
Hmm.
the first thing I told them about um, it was independent from block one because I think
Yeah.
it's a very great
Hmm.
case because it's really decentralized case and it's interesting to people to know it. For example, some crypto people who are really involved in crypto things, they not only for to earn something, they about technology, about DAOs, and for these people, I told them about EOS DAO because, for example, Eden on EOS Respect, and um, the governments with real people is very interesting, uh, and I think it's very unique for blockchain world that in EOS we have something centralized governments. It's ENF and some uh, DAO. It's for example Eden on EOS or EOS Respect. And when I talk about it, people very impressed and want to try because everyone can join, for example, to your respect,
Hmm.
I think, and try and see how it works. And for people who want to earn, I told them about the big achievements, for example, EOS EVM, uh, some some project on EOS that for example, Chintai, because the token was raised in 10 times, I think, for half of the year. And I told them, you can join to EOS ecosystem and find some projects, some tokens that unavailable. Can we say it?
Yeah.
I don't know. Maybe something. It's hard to answer this question because I remember that I have some killer features of EOS and I can't remember it now. But I definitely told about it to people.
Yeah, or
And
you can
of course,
always talk about the partnerships. There's been lots of partnerships recently between the EOS Network Foundation.
yes, of course.
Like recently, like just 21 hours ago, there was the Atom network. Like they were partnering with the EOS CVM. There's been Ubox, Spirit Blockchain, CoinTR from Turkey. I mean, they've been partnering again and again.
Yes, it's true.
Yeah,
It's
that's always
very
something.
interesting.
Did you see the
Yes.
transaction spike?
For a fake? Why fake?
The transaction spike. We went from like 2 million transactions to like 10 or 12 million transactions per day.
On EOS EVM or EOS native?
10 million on EVM and around 20 million on EOS.
Well, there was the sale recently for Ubox. I don't know if that helped or that's for something. Like Ubox sold for 200,000 in NFTs for EOS. They were all sold out quite fast. Maybe that has to do something with it.
I saw EOS's tweet and he was saying that this is just the beginning and the transactions are going to increase day by day.
Well, that was the goal with the EOS Labs. I mean, they had one goal, just put up the transactions, and if it's working, then good. That was the goal, yeah. More accounts, more users, more transactions. That was all the goal with the EOS Labs. So we'll see. But yeah, with so many partnerships, maybe that helps. I'd like to see where they're coming from then, specifically. Let's see if I can check out the transactions for myself.
EOS retweeted it. You can see it on his account.
I'll check it out. Yeah, so 10 minutes before the elections. Let's see. 15th election. That's a big number. 15 EOS Respect election.
But not even 15 participants, it seems like, this time.
Yeah, low attendance this time. But I guess it's the holidays, it's winter. We had more last month for sure. But I guess everyone's taking a little break for the winter.
May I ask if we now decided also to support projects which advertise our proxies with the EOS Respect funds? Bishop, are you aware?
Consensus is now EOS Respect is wider now. So anyone that wants to help to promote the proxy of EOS Support, like thanks to all of you, thanks to all your support, EOS Support has risen to in the top 30, top 30, 25. Where are we now? Top
25, I think, for block producers.
Yeah, so that's a big step. And anyone that helps and contributes to speak about EOS Support online, also that's something you can advertise in the EOS Respect election. Like I did this work, I spoke about the proxy, I spoke about EOS Support on social medias, I redirected people to EOS Support. These are always things you can say at EOS Respect elections to gather some funds for yourself and pay yourself. Now, also at the giveaway shows in EOS Synergy, like we have 4 shows in different languages. And at the shows, we also advertise that people can also participate in the EOS Respect community to advertise EOS Support, to advertise a proxy, to advertise the shows at a giveaway show, or EOS Pulse from Hazard, or Ruwade in EOS South Asia. Everyone in their community can just from themselves, join EOS Respect, do public promotional work for EOS Support. So speak about the proxy, speak about the website, redirect people from that community to the website or anything that helps our network. They can just then go to EOS Respect, join the elections, and just say what work they've done and gather some funds here also. So not only for the projects now, EOS Respect, but if you do just a little bit of work for EOS Support, if you do something for the community, you can also advertise that in EOS Respect elections and win some funds here at the elections. So no matter what you've done for EOS Support, you can also just advertise that and ask for some funds at the elections in your room. Now, speaking about rooms, same as last times, you'll have to create your own Zoom call during the elections. So don't use the interface for EOS Respect. Just once you know with whom you are in your room, just create a room for yourself and the others, tag them on the EOS Respect channel on Slack, and then let them know that you have created the room, put the Zoom link there, and that's it. You can just let them know there, or send them a private message with the link once you have created it. So that's it. Just as always, once you see with whom you are in your room, just create the Zoom link for your room on your own, if nobody else did it already and posted it on the Slack channel of EOS Respect. And of course, if you have any questions during the election, don't hesitate. Post them on the EOS Respect elections channel as well. And yeah, we also have all the links, useful links, like how to manually vote in case there's a problem with the UI. You can check out on the EOS Respect election channel on Slack. You have all the links needed, how to vote manually, and more. So you have all that there, but in any case, if you have a question during the elections, don't hesitate and ask away. And of course, yeah, that's the one time a month that we all gather together at the EOS Respect and the EOS Support. So if you have any questions, if you have any news to tell us, or anything, this is an open community to discuss everything. So don't hesitate. We'll be back again after the elections in the Zoom room call here.
Awesome.
So yeah, I'm still checking Yves Laro's Twitter. Let's see. Oh, he reposted a tweet from OpenTech, one of my favorite creators and attendant at the giveaway show.
They're always creating something.
Yeah, definitely. Always fun stuff, like first NFT on a Game Boy cartridge, first NFT on a first game on a Game Boy, first EOS blockchain game.
They were even making a messaging service on EOS, I think.
Yeah, messaging service, NFT platform, lots of stuff. And always creative, always fun. And what's more important, they always make an article on how they did it, so others can do that as well.
I remember they used to always answer first in the giveaway show, and everyone used to follow them.
Yeah.
Remember when we used to do trivia?
Yeah.
It was like follow OpenTech.
Yeah, follow OpenTech always. Wow, 20 million in transactions, 1,000% spike in 7 days. Yep.
Yeah.
Not bad, not bad. That puts us well beyond any transactions on any network. Like, that's been always the most impressive things about EOS. Like, we don't have the ranking on the top 100 that we deserve, but in transactions, that's like 20 million is well above Wax, second place, 6 million, and third is Tron. Like, Tron is well positioned on the charts, but 4 million. Like, we're 20 million, well above anyone in the charts. And that's an interesting spike. Like, yeah, December 6th to December 9th.
My show's title this week was "Is EOS finally getting the recognition it deserves?" Because it was like everywhere in the news this week. Everyone was like talking about EOS, and I hadn't seen this positive feedback about EOS in a while. So it was great to see.
Yeah. Wow. Let's not pay too much attention to the news as always, because as soon as they have positive feedback from EOS, there's plenty of people that are going to be on the rise to put some negative comments on EOS. Like it's not on their on their agenda for EOS to work well, and as soon as EOS there's something positive, they're going to be on the outlook to say negative things. Like it's always going to balance itself at the beginning.
That's why we need
it's going to take a long time until really the positive feedback from EOS rises above all the negatives and all the FUDs that prevail out there. And I guess Nicolas Davoine here knows a lot about this, coming from the EOSBs. They've been dealing with FUD for a long time now on EOS.
Yeah, for sure. That's a problem that other blockchains have too, just because it's common. But yeah, of course, EOS has this problem since like almost since the beginning. But now after everything happened with the ICO, of course, it's a huge problem. And yeah, we see negative comments regularly on ETH and ELF tweets, of course. So yeah, we are well aware of that problem. And this is what Jesse created the bees in the first place. This is the reason why. So yeah.
And I guess you'll tell us all about it after the elections. I'd like to hear more. But for now, I guess we have the rooms for the elections. Let's check it out. Yes, I'm with you, Evgeny. I'm with Leonardo and yourself, Nicolas Davoine. All right. So you can check out on the EOS Respect Elections website with whom you are. It's live now. So go check it out. And once you know, just post the link for your room that you've created on Zoom. So don't use the UI once again. Create the Zoom link for your room with the Zoom on your own and post the link in the Slack channel EOS Respect Elections. Tag the others with whom you are. You have access to all their Telegram and everything on Slack or on the EOS Respect profile for their page. And yeah, if you have any questions during the elections, post them on Slack, EOS Respect Election, don't hesitate. So I'll be creating the Zoom link for our room, Evgeny, Nicolas, and Leonardo. And I'll be posting it on Slack. And I'll see you everyone once again here after the election. Have a good one and see you then. Damn, I missed the update about EOSBs.
Oh yeah, all I was saying is that very short version is that very soon anyone will be able to purchase Swarm, but not with the same number of likes and retweets. So far, the only option was to have the same number of likes and retweets. But very soon you will be able to decide how many likes and how many retweets you want, which make more sense because on the tweet usually there's way more likes than retweets. So it makes the whole thing more genuine. And also it's way cheaper for the client because they don't have to purchase as many retweets as like, and retweet costs more than like, obviously. So it just makes the thing more genuine and cheaper. So this is a good feature. We want to implement that for a long time, but we needed to change developers. We need to have a new bot. This is what Jenny was asking because the old bot is not active anymore because we are not using it anymore. So we have a new one, and with this new bot we can do this change, which is we think is a really good change. It's going to make swarms cheaper.
And the bot is still on Telegram?
Yeah, it's on Telegram, yeah.
All right. Right. That's good. And a better business model then.
Yeah, for sure.
Yeah. So how are the elections going on their end? So all groups have reached consensus except Group 2 with Ruwade, Andres, Haza, and Lenny. Oh,
Lenny isn't here today.
yeah, he told us. He told us, yeah. Sadly. Just Andres has Android. We were just waiting for them. And in the case, on our group, then we have Jenny as delegate. Oh, I see Kevin K voting for Dario. So Dario was elected in their group. Then let's see. Trantien Thug elected in group 3 for EOS Vietnam, I guess. Willow, Wilfred in group 4. All right.
So I have 2 votes. Will I not be elected? Do I need 3 votes?
Depends. Is there a written consensus on the side? Consensus?
Yes, it says leader needs another vote.
Yeah, because there's 1 out of 3. There's 2 votes out of 3 going for you. So that's not the required consensus. You need 1 more people to vote, or Andres to change his vote to you.
Oh.
So you can quickly send them a message, and you still have plenty of time, I think, to do it.
Okay, I'll send him a message.
Yeah, Andres would need to change the vote for you. Yeah, there's still 20 minutes left. I guess yeah, he has time.
So Willow promised to translate the EOS Support EOS Respect Proxy article, the how-to guide,
Nice.
and put it on his website. And we asked him also, because he was already creating a video, if you remember, about Wombat Wallet. We asked him to create a short video about this process, how to vote, how to proxy vote. And I don't know, maybe we could find some synergies. Like maybe we create one video and then we do different overdubs with a voice in different languages. So we have the material in many languages. You, Bishop, could create intro, outro, and we could then, start this video tutorial thing a little bit more serious. What are your thoughts on that, Bishop? Or did you already start creating something?
Oh, for the intro, yes. For the intro, as soon as Cesar posted this video, I started work on the intro. So that will be coming soon. And yeah, so same thing as for the article or language leaders, like everything we do at EOS Support is on a volunteership basis. So I guess we should start maybe a role, like just for the language leaders and articles. If people are interested in creating or the voiceover for videos, like what we've done in EOS Support for everyone listening here today has been amazing so far, like the articles, the tutorials on the website. But we're in an age where we need more video content. Like we need to go out there on TikTok, we need to go out there on YouTube Shorts, and on as many short format videos as possible. That's where the audience is today. So at EOS Support, we've been on the lookout for creating more video contents, of course. That's what we need to do today to gather support and an audience around EOS Support. So the question is, how do we proceed for that? So we have some members that have created videos already. Willow is on part creating another one. And the question would be like, how do we manage the creation of videos in different languages the more efficiently possible? And well, my opinion on that is maybe just create a role for it. If anyone is interested in helping out with the videos in their own language, they could say that they are, and we create a group for the creation of videos. As soon as new video is online, then we know that this and this person is up to creating the translation in our own language. And from there, they can just do the translation. I can take care of overlapping the audio that they provide with the original video. Like, we have myself for the editing part, and we have all the other like language leaders that are up to the translation of audio for the video ready on their end.
Sounds great.
Yeah.
I can take care of German and Italian. I can also record it myself. and then send it to you. But first, I think we should like see the video. How is it created? Maybe now from Willow, because you promised it. Then we check it. We see if everything is okay as we wished. Maybe we do some changes, maybe not. And then if it's okay, we can send it out to the people who are interested.
Yeah, definitely. Yeah.
And then the languages are created, and we can start on this front, because I think there is a huge potential. We talked about it a lot. I remember also Sebastian was trying to start a project like this, but they did like very extensive videos, maybe also a bit boring videos. Now we have the chance to create short clips, engaging clips, and give them a little bit of taste, a little bit of a step-by-step, but maybe not too much information like our articles used to. Like EOS is still for experts, no? As Yves Larose said it also during the node operator meeting. I remember that like EOS spinning up a node there is only expert mode. There is not an easy mode. Like you can't start say, I want to run a node. Where is the exe file? I can click on it and just run. Doesn't exist yet. But this would be the new way. Make it easy, make it accessible. And I think this could start also with short video content. Yes.
Definitely. And so yeah, there's a first step, like making sure the video is okay. And after that, yeah, we can go about the translations, etc. Maybe sometimes there will be new videos needed, like I guess for other languages like Chinese, Korean. We would need to change the interface or the article page that would be displayed to that language. So there will be changes in the video version, but I guess that would be easily made if it's needed. Yeah, we'll see. But yeah, I guess we could start very early to do the work on that. Like start creating the group for everyone interested in doing that. Yeah. In the future, I guess EOS Synergy will be useful. Like EOS Synergy has always been planned to be a hub for content creators. So anyone looking out to helping with creating content, graphical content, video content, or just animating live shows, I created myself for years. It's always been there for that, but also for content creators. So on the long term, it will be useful. But until then, EOS Support will be handling that, I guess. And we'll be, I guess, posting soon a message about that on EOS Support to see who is up to helping out with the translations of videos for our community. Yeah.
Awesome. Great. Let's get things moving. No?
Oh, yeah. Definitely.
Guys, I gotta go today. Repair the car.
Good luck with the car then.
Have a nice evening and day, and see you soon. Bye-bye.
See you, Marcus.
Have a nice day.
Yeah, I have to go very soon too. So now is my chance to go. But yeah, see you everyone, and yeah, we will have updates about the swarms, like I said, on the USB's Twitter channel. So stay tuned.
Right. Thanks
See
for
you guys.
Bye. See you.
Yeah. Bye. Bye, everyone.
Bye.
Let's see if you're still waiting for the change of vote from Andres Ruid. You've sent him a message on Slack and Telegram.
Andres wants some funds for the Mexico show, so we're discussing how much percentage I should give him.
Good.
So we're negotiating right now.
Do you have a video also for the consensus in your room?
Hazza has the video.
Hazza posted it. Okay.
So would it be fine if I give him 40% of the funds?
Yeah, sure.
He wants okay.
And I see he just changed his vote for you. It's okay on the UI. He just did it now. So all rooms have consensus. And yes, for sure, you can decide on your own with him how much you give. That's okay. Just let us know on the Slack channel what is the final decision. So if the consensus is not on the video recorded, put it on the Slack channel in written form. Like what's the final consensus on how the funds are going to be distributed? Because we record all that on Monday afterwards. for
Okay.
posterity.
The promises actually always should be recorded on video
Yeah, it
and then
should.
uploaded. So it's
Yeah.
on the blockchain, yeah. Because on Slack, it's not like it can be tampered with, yeah. On the
Yeah,
blockchain, it can't.
Definitely better is if it's still on video. So if you can hop in a quick call with Andres and Haza and just.
Oh, so he
just
said in the group meeting as well that he doesn't speak English properly,
Yeah.
so he prefers writing it.
Okay.
Okay.
That's okay. It's okay.
That's okay. Yeah.
Or what also is a solution is to record again, just like the promise, what you promise, and then upload your promise.
Okay, I'll just write it in the chat.
Yeah.
And you yourself, Dario, what's the promise on your end?
I run for Cesarion, the guy who already created 2 videos.
Yeah.
To get him funds so we can start to improve his videos. And then also I hope he can do more videos, yeah, for EOS, how to create accounts, for EOS Respect, how to delegate the EOS to our proxy, or also for the DEX 223 now, where we get tokens, yeah. Yeah, to create videos.
That's awesome. Good.
I'm not sure now, just educational and to yeah, to advertise it. But in the future, maybe also how to create EOS EVM accounts and how to use that exchange, this decentralized exchange. Yeah, let's see. I like the idea to create a group. Maybe we can create a EOS Synergy private group with the video creation guys. And then also if, for example, Sasarion, I'm not sure if he has problem now to record with his voice, but then he still could create a video with the text, and so somebody else can create the voice. Or I don't know, but just to coordinate the work and to improve it together. I like it.
Yeah, definitely. I think it's the way to go. So we'll be posting, I guess, a message on the general's chat first, see who is up to joining the group, helping out with the translations, and then create a group for everyone that wants to be involved. Yeah. And that way we can move fast on this and start work here. And let's see. So we have yourself as a delegate, Ruwaid, distributing funds. Tran, I guess, for EOS Vietnam. And Willow. Don't know what Willow run for, yeah. But we'll see. So don't hesitate after the elections to go on the Monday board. Check that we recorded exactly what your promise was. So we record each one there. And I see, Ruwaid, you've posted your consensus on the Slack channel. So we reached consensus with 40% of my funds going to Palmar for EOS Mexico and 60% for EOS South Asia. That's good consensus. Great. All right, perfect. And recently, so I was checking out, let's see, EOS S, the app that has been at the center of the rising spike transactions recently on EOS. I'm just catching up with what they're up to. Does anyone have info on them or have been checking out their project?
Who?
EOS S, the app on EVM that, according to Eve, is at the is the cause for the spike in transactions recently on EOS that we've seen.
Let me check it out.
Yeah, here is their Twitter.
Oh, okay.
All right. Use inscription.
That's a creative name. EOS.
Yeah. Use. Yeah. Yeah, EOS has seen a significant uptick in transactions as a result of the EOS inscriptions on EOS EVM. And I guess it's staying also. Let's see. EOS M. That was a big spike indeed. Yeah.
So their page just has one tweet.
What's the question?
Their Twitter page just has one tweet.
No, more. No, there's more, I think,
Oh.
from what I saw. Let's see. Did I share the right page? Yeah, use S. No, I'm seeing multiple. Like they're grateful for the transactions and attention given to their app from Yves Larose. They talk about the inscriptions, and they've retweeted a lot from the EOS ecosystem, the recent partnership with Contiar and more. Let's see.
This is my first time being elected as a delegate.
Congratulations.
Thanks.
Speaking of being elected delegate, so you'll have, once you claim the funds, to go on the Monday board. There you have different categories for EOS Respect. Let's see if I can bring that up here. Operations. Yeah, so we have on Monday different categories that are going to be interesting to you as a delegate. First, the pitches, so that you can use before the elections to make sure people that don't speak well your language can know just by checking there what's your pitch going to be. That makes it easier during the elections. After that, we have a section you suspect to promises. So promises, this is where we'll go. Myself and Dario will go check the videos, see what your promises were, and record them in the promises section. So you just go there and check that the promise is accurate. So that we recorded it well for this 15th election. But normally everything is already there. So just go check that it's all right. After that, the most important part is the tracking. So there you'll have to list all the projects that you are going to fund with your funds this election. So for example, for your reward, you list EOS South Asia and you list also EOS Mexico. And then you put in the link for the transaction where you claim the funds and put as much information about how you're going to use the funds. If you have statistics about your show, you can link that there also. So that's the place where you put as much information as possible about how your funds have been used. So afterwards, we can go the months after and go check out what you did with the funds and then put in the column that everything went well. Like you did well with the funds, you put in information about your project, it's transparent and it's good. So that's the most important part. And if you have any questions about how exactly the tracking works, etc., you can always send us a message, post on the Slack channel. That's the process we use at the EOS Respect to make sure that everyone's transparent and we have a good community of helpful people. And that's it on the Monday side, I think, if I haven't missed anything. Let's see.
Is Mel not here today? I don't think so. Mel?
Melvin Pierce. I haven't seen him today now. I haven't seen him. No. EOS Support 23rd on Block Producer. So close now. Yeah. Like 2 ranks to go.
Top 20.
Top 20.
Soon.
Top 23 EOS Support for now.
But top 20 soon. Hopefully.
Yeah. Like two spots to go to be in the top 21. So let's go out there and advertise as much as we can the EOS proxy, EOS Support proxy. We can do it. It's so close now. And I guess, yeah, everyone involved in EOS Support for all these years now, like we're in love with what we've accomplished so far. Like we may be one of the biggest communities on EOS. So us having a voice among the block producers about EOS governance, that would be an amazing step forward for giving a voice to our community. And yeah, so close now. Let's see. Okay. It's weird. Right. So yeah, what we don't hesitate to post any questions you may have about the delegates on the tracking. So go check out the tracking on Monday. Add your project, your South Asia, add your Mexico as well. And yeah, I guess everyone has posted the video recording for their room also. I'll be posting mine shortly. So anyone wants to comment today? This is the one time a month we're all together. So if you have anything to share about your projects, about your support or anything, if Kay, yourself, or Jenny, or Fruit, you still have something to share, that would be awesome. If not, that's all right. We'll see each other in 1 month again for the next election. All right. I guess we'll close up shops for today. Another successful election. We have consensus in all the groups. So again, thank you for participating today. There's been a lot of people on winter break for this election, but I guess we'll be back strong for the next one at the beginning of January then. So next time we see each other again, we'll be in 2024. I guess a big year for EOS. We'll see. I guess we'll be here doing all the work to make that happen. And I can't wait to do all that still with all of you. But until then, Ian, take care. We'll see each other in 2024 then. And until then.
See you next year.
Yeah, I'll see you next year. That's a good
Happy
thing.
New Year and
Have a beautiful holiday season with your family and loved ones, I guess. And see each other in the next one then.